how are you? I want to show you this really nice product that I got. It's silk pillowcases. I love the packaging. It's so nice. It's twin silk pillowcases with zippers. A couple of benefits about pillowcases that are silk. They are low friction and high moisture. So it encourages growth and it's gentle on the hair. Really, really good for the skin. Every person that I did a facial by always recommends that I sleep in a silk pillow because it's very good for the skin and it doesn't clog the pores and it just helps overall with good health. It's great if you get a blowout. Got this, I just want to show you the zipper because it's just very good with like all the static in the hair. If you get color in your hair, it's just a really good product. This is top silk, top quality. Look at the design, it's so nice. I love it, I think it's so cool. And it's like this navy blue color. Just overall a really great product, top quality silk. And I think that every person should have a silk pillowcase. Like over time, generally helping you with good living and just healthy living. And so look how beautiful that is. And just the silk is so smooth, so soft, so great for you. And again, it's low friction and high moisture, which is so great for the hair and the skin. So definitely go get yourself one of these silk pillowcases. Well, more than one. Just get them for all your pillows. It's a life-changing decision and I love it. I definitely recommend it. So I love that it's a zipper because it's so easy to just open and close and put the pillow in. Very easy. But also it's really a great way to keep the pillow in and not have like the pillow always sticking out. Look at that. See? It fills the pillow so nicely. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous color, gorgeous quality, and it's super, super comfortable. So I really recommend that everybody get a silk pillowcase for your pillows, for all your pillows, because overall it's so much better for your hair and your skin, and it's just a healthier option and a way to just maintain your beauty and your youth and your hair. So I definitely recommend that you get this silk pillowcase. They're super great quality. Yeah, so go get them.